Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add email account on Outlook app on an Android device. Okay, let's turn to the tutorial. First, you can open your Outlook app on your device. After that, you can click on this icon. And then you can tap settings at the bottom. Okay, after that, here you can click on add mail account. And then tap first option. Okay, after that, enter your email address here. Okay, after that, click continue. Okay, and then enter the password. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add email account on Outlook app on an Android device. Don't forget to subscribe for more information from this channel. Thank you.